I'd like you to focus on this for a minute. You can even freeze this if you'd like to take a photo of it or something, or screen save it. I don't know where I got this. I got it years ago. But these are measurements, and I'm going to show you how this works. On the other side, I just took a piece of wood, and I don't know if you can see better this way. I've got it marked for a 30 degree for a planer, 25 degree for a planer or chisel, and 20 degrees for a planer or chisel. Generally, I stick with a 25. And one of the things that I use is you can find these in all sorts of ways. We can find them on Amazon and other places. And what they do is they hold your chisel in place, or your planer blade in place. And by setting it down on here and tightening it to just the right length, you'll notice this is even with the edge, and it hits up here. I know that I have it now set for exactly 25 degrees. Then I can put it on here, and I can give it a couple quick strokes. And I know, obviously that you'd use different stones, but just to give it a little bit of an edge. And you can see I've got a very nice edge on there now. And the reason I bring this up is because a lot of times you might want to buy tools, and you can see that really digs in. Nice and sharp. Sometimes you buy tools and they're not very sharp, and you want to get them ready for work. A sharp tool is a tool that you aren't going to get injured with. So that brings me to my second point, which is, where do I get tools? And if you'll notice, I have quite a few planes here, and a lot of my other tools that I get from yard sales and estate sales. And you can find them all over your area. Generally, estate sales are on the Fridays and Saturdays. And it's amazing how many people pass on and leave, and the family doesn't want their tools, and you can get them for a very reasonable price. Most of these planes I paid $8, $9 for. I even got some antique ones up here I got two of these for $25. So you can really get some good bargains out there. These are tools that will last another lifetime, certainly if you take care of them. And there are some great videos out there that will show you how to take a plane apart. My friend at the Whacking Shack, Mike, has a really good video out on how to restore old planes. I highly recommend that you check out his site, and I'll try and put that in the description. Please also hit the button down below on the bottom left-hand side, I believe it is, and go see my other videos as well. Thank you.